Guys, we've got an interesting video for you guys here today on the channel, and that is how not to scale your agency or your social media marketing agency to that infamous 10K per month mark. Now, the reason why I'm doing this particular video, guys, is because I believe I saw actually Alex Hormozi do something very similar to this, where it was like he explained 10 ways or 20 ways or whatever it was not to do something. And the reason why he did it like that, and obviously the reason why I'm doing it this way, is so that you can do and take every single point I make and do the opposite of what I'm about to tell you throughout this list, if you will. So I've got a list on my computer, and by doing so, by virtue of doing so, if you will actually get to 10K per month if you actually seriously take it, take it seriously, if you will. So long story short, guys, let's jump straight into this. And all I ask for in return, by the way, guys, is just drop a like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, because that honestly does help me with the algorithm. That's literally all I ask for in return. So let's jump straight into this. And again, guys, the reason for this video, I know it's a weird title. Obviously, we all want to get to 10K per month, but the reason why I'm doing it this way is so that you listen to what I say and don't do what I'm about to tell you. For example, the opposite of focus is distraction. Don't do distraction, and by default you do focus. Therefore you do focus work. If you do focus work, you get the results that you deserve. So let's jump straight into this. How not to scale to 10K per month with your social media marketing agency. Number one, do only 10 outreach per day every single day. Only 10. Obviously 10 is a low number. So what am I really saying there? Obviously do way more than 10. In the last video, or one of my last videos, my previous videos on this channel, I've broken down that you need to literally, if you want to get to like 10K per month within 90 days via cold emails, it might take you about 1,800 emails to land one client. You might need to get up to 7 clients to get yourself to that 10K net kind of like mark, if you will. If you're charging 2K per month and you're outsourcing that at $500 per month each client. That basically means you're going to make around 1.5K net profit. So you need 7 clients. So that basically means you need around 12,600 emails. Divide that by 90 days. If you want to get to 10K per month in 90 days, you're going to have to do 140 outreach per day. So number one, do only 10 outreach. Number two, offer the exact same thing as everybody else with the exact same scripts and templates. What does that indicate to you? Obviously do the opposite of this. Number three, have a really crappy service that nobody wants or that you cannot deliver on, if you will, or just service delivery in general. Have a crappy service that basically causes you to lose clients left, right, and center. The opposite of that is obviously have a great service. Number four is go at it all alone on the front end and the back end. Front end being do all your outreach by yourself. Definitely do that, 100%, yeah. Definitely do all your outreach by yourself, because that's gonna definitely result in you being able to crank out a lot of outreach. This is why I keep mentioning the hybrid system. Guys, hint, hint. By the way, H-Traumatization is going from $797 to $997 on the 5th of October. Link is below if you wanna enroll in that, because I do teach you how to obviously crank out way more outreach than that. But long story short, number four is go at it all alone on the front end of your agency and the back end of your agency. Again, with agencies, there's only 2 real parts to it, to be honest with you. There's client attraction, aka getting clients, and then retaining clients. I've already mentioned kind of like both of these throughout, but getting clients would be, doing lots of outreach. So the opposite of that for this particular video, I know it's weird me doing it like this, but it's go at it all alone. As in, do all the lead sourcing by yourself, do all the prospecting by yourself, and do all the personalization by yourself, because that's definitely a way to crank out a lot of outreach. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic here, guys. And I guess on the back end then would be, yeah, definitely go and learn Facebook ads for 6 months straight. Definitely spend 2 years learning TikTok ads. Definitely spend the next 8 months trying to learn SEO by yourself, because that's definitely gonna get you to 10K per month. You see, a lot of people think that if they're really extremely good at Facebook ads, by virtue they'll get themselves to 10K a month. The problem with that though is that, let's think about it. If you guys on here right now and I always say this in my YouTube videos, and I also say inside the H-Traumatization, you guys know what I'm talking about if you're enrolled in that. But the example is, and I use this inside the H-Traumatization, like I said, is if I was to give you some real prime beef, like proper, like actual beef, if you will, excuse me for all the vegans out there, or the vegetarians out there, but long story short, the point is, can you make an actual burger that tastes better than a McDonald's burger? Answer probably is yes. My question then is, if you know you genuinely can create a hamburger or cheeseburger better than McDonald's, why is it that you don't have a multi-billion-dollar business like McDonald's does? The reason for that is because there's so much more to the business than just the burger itself, the end product. There's so much more to an agency than just the end product, which is kind of like, client results, if you will. There's so much more than that. Obviously, that's the main bit. But there's so much more than that. There's client satisfaction, of course. That's obviously kind of like part of that. There's outreach, there's sales, there's lead sourcing, there's prospecting, there's building case studies and stuff like that, case study funnels. There's marketing the actual agency itself. You're not in the business of Facebook ads, you're in the business of selling Facebook ads. Those are two completely different things, guys. So yeah, definitely, number 4, definitely go at the agency all alone. On the front end, you definitely do all your outreach by yourself. Oh, 100%, definitely do that, and definitely go and do all the service delivery by yourself, because that's definitely a way to grow a business. By the way, obviously I'm being sarcastic. That's literally gonna be like hell. It's gonna be like a 9-to-5 job. That's like a business disguised as a 9-to-5 job, if you will. A 9-to-5 job disguised as a business, should I say? Number 5 is constantly overthink stuff and make sure you stay in analysis paralysis mode. So definitely overthink everything. Definitely question everything. Definitely try to get everything perfect. Definitely do all of those things, guys, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month. Obviously, do the opposite of those. Number 6 is do all the service delivery by yourself. I've already kind of, broken this one down, but again, I'm putting this one in there. And the reason for this is, again, guys, is because a lot of people think they need to be an expert when it comes to starting an agency at the actual stuff. I do recommend, obviously, by the way, this is actually genuine advice here. I do recommend knowing your service enough to be able to step in, or even so you can actually sell your service. But I don't recommend becoming world's #1 Facebook ad expert or TikTok ad expert and stuff like that, because there's much more involved in the business than just the actual service delivery. Number 7 is, like, I've already kind of covered this one, but number 7 would be like spend 2 to 3 years learning Facebook ads and becoming a wizard at Facebook ads. Definitely do that, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month. I mean, it can help. Honestly, guys, just because you're good at Facebook ads doesn't mean you're going to get any clients. I'm telling you that right now. Again, there's a difference between being in the business of Facebook ads and being in the business of selling Facebook ads. 2 different things. Number 8, quite obvious. Never start outreach. So number 8, never ever start outreach. Don't do outreach. Don't start outreach. Don't think about outreach. Don't conduct outreach. That's it. Don't do outreach, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month, obviously. Number 9 is spend all your time creating fancy logos, websites, business cards, on all those fancy stuff that actually don't get you clients. Like spend all your time doing all that sort of stuff. Like create all the fancy websites you like. Create all the best profile pictures on your Facebook account, all you like. Create the fanciest of the fanciest websites possible, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month. Number 10 is spend 4 years in university getting a marketing degree. Go to university right now, spend 4 years getting a marketing degree, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K per month with your agency. 100%. Yeah, no doubt about it. Because like every single one of my clients have definitely asked me for my marketing degree. By the way, I've been running my agency now for literally over 4 years, almost 5 years. Next year will be 5 years, and not once have I ever had anybody ask me for a marketing degree ever, or any sort of qualifications. I'm not ever joking. So yeah, definitely go to university and spend 4 years of your life and rack up all that debt getting a marketing degree, because that's definitely going to get you to that 10K per month mark with your own agency. Definitely. Number 11 is stay on YouTube. Make sure you just stay literally just all day, every day. Just stay on YouTube and watch all your favorite gurus talk about SMA every single day on YouTube for hours on end, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month. Like just spend all your waking hours on YouTube. Like as soon as you come home from work or whatever other commitments you're doing, or if you don't have any other commitments, definitely just go to your computer, open up YouTube, and just watch all the gurus and watch YouTube just in general. Just watch YouTube. Just stay on YouTube, learning. Just continuously keep learning. Yeah, for sure. And never take action, by the way. Obviously, learning is good, but learning without taking action is terrible, if you will. So definitely stay on YouTube and just watch all your favorite gurus talk about SMA and never actually take action. So that's definitely going to get you 10K a month. So number 12, guys, is don't find a mentor. Definitely don't find a mentor. Everything you see on the internet is definitely a scam. All of it's a scam. All of it's a scam. You know it all already. You know it all. It's all in your head. That's why you're at 10K a month right now. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic, guys. But obviously, don't go and find a mentor. Just do it all yourself. Don't learn from anybody who's in a higher level or higher position or just got more expertise than you. Just do it all yourself. Wing it. And just, you already know it all. That's what I'm trying to say there. Obviously, do the opposite of that. 13 is try to offer 7 different services at once. List 20 different services and just say you're going to offer them all of them. Offer all of them right now to businesses. Just say that you can do everything for them, literally, because that's definitely going to get you to 10K a month. Number 14 Try to do 20 different outreach methods all at once at the same time and see how far you get with that. Try to do Instagram DMs and Facebook DMs and LinkedIn DMs and cold calling and cold emails, and then get on Twitter as well to try send freaking DMs and try to grow a personal brand. Do all of it, all at the same time. Because again, he who tries to chase two rabbits definitely catches both of them. Obviously, that's not the saying. You guys know I'm going with this video. So do the opposite of that. And last but not least is 15. Constantly worry about not producing results for clients. I know that this is a big one. Everybody comes into SMMA space and they're so freaking scared to start because they literally are so scared that they're not able to produce results for clients. So what I want you to do is just continuously worry. Sit there in your bedroom, sit there in your house, sit there at your work that you're uncomfortable at or you don't like anymore, and just continuously worry forever, literally until you die, about getting results for clients. Just always worry about it and actually just let it paralyze you. Just stay exactly where you are because you're scared of not getting results. Just stay there. Just bask in it forever and don't start. So guys, this has actually been a very weird and somber video for me in my particular case. It actually feels weird even saying this because it makes me feel cringy inside. Me even saying stuff like do only 10 outreach a day. I can already, it's like my body's going, everything in my fiber knows that that's wrong to even say. So it feels weird for me to actually even make this video and constantly worry about not producing results. Therefore it paralyzes you, like saying stuff like that. It sounds so freaking weird, but honestly guys, if you can rewatch this video, you understand the value of this video. Pick out what I've said, go back, watch it, and do the opposite of what I basically just said throughout this entire video. Anyway guys, this is a weird video. Let me know if you like this style of video. This was obviously something completely different I've never tried here before on the video on the channel, but hopefully this actually helped you guys. So again, do the opposite of what I just said. It should be good as gold. And obviously it takes a little time to grow. Stay consistent with it. And that's another one. Don't be consistent. Never be consistent. don't be consistent. Do little bits of outreach sporadically and never be consistent with your outreach. Obviously do the opposite of those. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a very different kind of video, very backwards if you will. That's the whole point of the video. Drop a like if you definitely liked. If you didn't, just drop it in a comment. And if you want to enroll inside the instrumentation, go on the link below, click that link, enroll into that, save yourself $200. It's going from $797 to $997 USD. That is, by the way, on the 5th of October. There is a split pay option available if you need it as well. It's all on the website. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Don't forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe. Peace.